Hi, I'm Charles Dwan, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the first 8 4-colored pieces. Now make sure to subscribe in order to be notified when the last 8 will be solved. Alright, so let's begin. So first we're going to be deciding which face do we want as our front face. As you can see, I have red as my front face here, so I'm just going to leave him right in the front. Alright, red is our front face. Now, second step. We look for a red 4-colored piece on this face. A 4-colored piece that is both on this face and contains red. I see this face fulfills those rules. It's on this face and it has red on it. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to rotate the cube so it's in this front slot here. Alright? This back, top, right, in slot. Now, I look at what 3 colors other than red does it have. I see it has light blue, standard blue, and yellow. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to rotate the 4-dimensional Rubik's Cube so that either the yellow, light blue, or standard blue 2-colored pieces here, either the yellow, light blue, or standard blue 2-colored pieces here, and of course, either the yellow, light blue, or standard blue 2-colored pieces here. So what does that mean? That means I'm going to rotate it so like you see this here? This is yellow, which is one of the colors that we need. So I can just leave him here. I look at this guy. He does not have yellow, light blue, or standard blue here. So I see this 2-colored piece. He's light blue. So I rotate him in, like that. Now I look at this face. As you can see, he has standard blue. And so these 3 little 2-colored pieces, these 3 faces, have either a yellow, light blue, or standard blue 2-colored piece. You see, they all have one of each of those 3. Alright, so what do we do next? We're going to be using our 4-color cycle in order to cycle our 4-colored piece in here. Alright, Alt, reference piece. Just like that. And then we just realign our face. Now, we put the piece we just solved, which is right here, back to this front slot here. And then we look at it. Is it oriented? Well, no, because light blue does not match with red, standard blue is not light blue, and of course red does not match with standard blue. These 3 colors need to be cycled, needs to be rotated. As you can see, yellow, he's already there. And so what do we do if we have 3 of these colors, like this? Recall that our twisting algorithm only twists our 4-colored pieces in this manner. That is, it cycles these 3 colors in this arch and does not affect this inner color. But that's not our case. So what do we do? I'm glad you asked. First, we rotate our 4-dimensional Rubik's Cube so that the solved color is on the bottom. Next, we rotate it 4-dimensionally so that he's in this slot here. This right bottom slot here. And then up. So now, as you can see, they're in this arch here. And our solved piece, our solved color, is inside. So now, with our piece here in front, we use our twisting algorithm. Apply it until it is correctly oriented. So there. Now, we look for another 4-colored piece on this face with red on it. Spotted him right on it. He's right here. So if I find him here, I rotate the cube so that he's in this front slot here. Next, what three other colors does it have other than red? I see orange, white, maroon. So these three faces need to have either a maroon, orange, or white two-color piece on it. Alright, so this face here, ooh, I see it has orange here, so I can just rotate orange right up there. I look at this face, oh, it already has white. And I look at this face, oh, it already has maroon. So these three faces have one of each, either a white, maroon, or orange two-color piece. So now what's the next step? Use the cycling algorithm, click on it, and then Alt reference piece to cycle them into the slot. And then we just realign them. So, as you can see, light blue goes here. So, rotate him twice. Now, we put the piece we just solved, which is now here, right back in this front slot. So, like that, and then we just rotate him up. Just like that. So now he's here. Now, we decide, does he need to be oriented? Yes, he does. Because maroon does not match with red, and these do not match either. These colors need to cycle. And of course, orange is already solved. Alright? So what do we do if we have three of them here, and they're not in an arch? We rotate it so that our unoriented piece is on the bottom with the already solved color on the bottom face, and then we rotate it four-dimensionally up. So now they're in this arch. And then we click on our twisting algorithm, and then Alt reference piece until it's oriented. There. We look for another red four-color piece on this face. So let's look for one. Found one. It has red right here. So, what are its three other colors? I see white, standard blue, and light blue. So, I need to put either a white, standard blue, or light blue two-color piece here. I can just put white right there. Now for this middle face, I need either white, standard blue, or light blue here. So I see standard blue here. Just rotate him in. And this face, oh, now it has the last color, light blue. So we're all good. Next, our twisting algorithm to rotate him in, Alt reference piece, and then we just realign him. Blue goes here, down, and then white goes here, across. Our piece we just solved is down here now, and so we rotate our cube four-dimensionally since he's on the outside. And then we just rotate him so he's back to this front slot. Now, these three colors need to be cycled, and light blue is just put here. He's already solved. And so we put our four-color piece, our misoriented piece, on the bottom with our already solved color on the bottom face like that. And since he isn't in this slot already, we're going to rotate it four-dimensionally so that he is. Next, we rotate it four-dimensionally up so that he arches up like that. Okay? Next, we just apply our twisting algorithm till he's oriented. Just like that. Alright. Next, we look for another 4-color piece on this face with red on it. Right there. Rotate it so that he's right on this front slot. I can see it has orange, yellow, and standard blue. Okay, so this face already has yellow. So I move down to this face. I can see blue right here. I can just move him over. And oh look, this face already has orange. So we're all good. And so, Alt, reference piece for the cycle. And then we just realign it. Oh, and a thing I forgot to mention. Once you place one of the 3 colors up here, make sure you only rotate your face now using these type of moves. Do not rotate like this, do not rotate like this, as it will disrupt that face that you already solved. Alright? So anyway, we have our piece we just solved up here. We're going to rotate it back to the front slot. Back here. As you can see, red, yellow, blue need to be cycled, and orange is good. So we rotate our piece so that he's on the bottom, and that our solved color is on the bottom face, then 4-dimensionally up since he's already to the right. If he were to the left, we have to rotate it 4-dimensionally right and then up. But in this case, he was already to the right, so we could just do up. So now that they're already in this arch, do our twisting algorithm. There. Look for another 4-color piece on this face with red. This piece doesn't have it. None here. No. Alright. So these 4-color pieces don't seem to have red on them. So I'm going to rotate the 4-dimensional Rubik's Cube 4-dimensionally twice so I can see and access these 4 on the back. Now I look. Oh. We don't seem to have any 4-colored piece on this face with red on it. What do we do? Well, we look for an unsolved 4-colored piece with red on it here. It has to be unsolved. So I can see... Oh, this one. What's wrong with him? Let's bring him up. Wait a minute. I can see this piece can go here, maroon can go here, and red can go here. Do you know what I'm thinking? Yeah, he's just misoriented. So what do we do if he's misoriented? We rotate so our piece is on the bottom, and so that our oriented piece on the bottom here is on the bottom face. Since he's to the left, we rotate him 4-dimensionally to the right, and then 4-dimensionally up. Now you see this arch? Apply the 4-color twist. There you go. Ooh, I see another one. This one's unsolved. What's wrong with him? I see red can go here, maroon can go here, light blue can go here. Oh, he's actually a misoriented piece. Yellow's already solved, so I can put our misoriented piece on the bottom, yellow on the bottom face, our already solved piece. Then 4-dimensionally up, since he's already on the right. See this arch? Now, 4-color twist. There. Ooh, I see another one. What's wrong with him? Orange could go here. Blue could go... where could blue go? Nowhere. So what this means is that this piece actually does not belong here. Although it's a red 4-color piece, it does not have any place here because blue doesn't match with any of these faces and obviously doesn't match with this face. And so, what could we do? You guessed it. Use the 4 cycle to get him out. Alt reference piece. Boom. Now I look for a 4-color piece on this face with red on it. Found him. Move him right here. I see he has white, blue, standard blue, and orange. So I can move standard blue up here. And then I can put orange here. Now, it seems like white needs to be here. But if I move him like that, it's going to take blue out. But if I move him twice here, it's going to take yellow out. So what do? What we do is that we're basically going to sort of move him into this place here. Alright? This is the answer. We twist him once so I can push light blue over to this side and so that he's here. Oh, wait a minute. Sort of a glitch there. So basically, what I did was that I moved this face so you would push this color all the way here, and then he would go here. That way, all these 3 colors, all these 3 faces, would have either a blue, white, or orange 2-color piece. You're sort of rotating him in. He goes here, and he goes here. Both of them can be happy. Then we cycle our piece in. Blue goes here. Orange goes all the way down here. Our piece we just solved is right down here. And so, rotate him. And since he's on the outside, rotate 4-dimensionally. Okay, now in this case, our 3 misoriented colors are in this arch here. Alright? And our oriented piece here, our already solved piece, is in the center. So we can just apply the 4 twist right away. See? I would look for a 4-colored piece on this face with red. Just like that. Up to the top. I see it has orange, maroon, yellow. So I could just put yellow up here. Now, I see orange right here, so I could just put them right in the center. And then maroon just ends up here. Then, cycle. Yellow goes here. Orange goes down here. Next piece I just solved is down here. He's on the outside, so I have to rotate it 4-dimensionally. Ooh. But look. Orange and yellow need to swap. And maroon and red need to be swapped. There are 2 swaps. What do we do if we have it misoriented like this? Great question. If you ever get a case where you have 2 swaps here, like that, you just apply the 4 twist from any direction. No need to orient it yet. So I've applied it once. Now, you look at what 3 colors are still misoriented. Well, orange, yellow, and red, they could cycle. And of course, maroon is solved. And so we rotate it so our piece is on the bottom, and so that our solved piece is on the bottom face, then up. Now they're in this arch. Apply the twist again. And there you go. And so, as you can see, we have solved all the 4 colored pieces of a red face. We have solved the first 8. Now, this tutorial was quite hard to make. So if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for the next video. In the next video, we are going to be solving the last 8 4-colored pieces and conquer this monster. Alright? See you in the next video. Thanks.